Welcome back. In this video, we're making pumpkin cheesecake. For the crust, crushed vanilla wafers, sugar, pumpkin spice, pour in melted butter, mix until combined or until a wet sand has formed. Grease the bottom of a 9-inch springform cake pan with Pam. In goes your crumb mixture. Press firmly onto the bottom. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. For the custard, cream cheese, sour cream, sugar, and flour. Mix on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes or until smooth. Then on low speed, add in eggs one at a time, vanilla, pumpkin spice, and pumpkin puree. Mix until just combined. Now get a bigger springform cake pan. This one is 10 inches. Wrap the outside in tin foil. Once the crust has cooled, about 20 to 30 minutes, brush the sides of your springform pan with butter. Pour in your custard. Place your cake into the bigger springform pan. Place into a roasting pan. Pour in hot water, or until it reaches about halfway up your springform pan. Bake at 425 degrees for 10 minutes, then reduce to 250 degrees, and continue baking for another 55 to 60 minutes. Once it has cooled completely, cover and place into the refrigerator overnight. Remove the cake from the pan. Onto a serving plate it goes. Top it off with whipped cream and a bourbon pecan caramel sauce. And there we have it, pumpkin cheesecake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.